Hello everyone, I'm Utkarsh pursuing Bachelor's of Technology in Computer Science Engineering with specialization in cybersecurity by IBM from Sri Ram Swaroop Memorial University, Lucknow. Let me first log in my computer. Okay, so my call is running now, and today, as part of my internship at TechnoHacks, I'll be performing the task of network scanning. So, well, uh, from here you can start uh, the terminal, the Linux terminal. We will Today we will have a look upon the working of tools like Nmap and NSLOOKUP to scan a network for open ports and vulnerable services. And our target site is testphp.vulnweb.com. So let's start. Now here you have two options. Either you can just type Nmap and call the Nmap, or you can navigate through here Kali, and here you can type Nmap, and again you have the option of calling it from here. So both are actually similar. You can start from anywhere. I'll be doing it from terminal window direct. So some basic commands we will practice are, okay, let's first start with NSLOOKUP, and let have returned the IP address of the site I have mentioned. Like when I typed NSLOOKUP command, it provides me it goes through DNS resolution. It verifies, performs the verification, and then gathers the information. It confirms that the target we have complete accuracy upon by searching for the needed DNS to be scanned. Also, we can have one more command with NSLOOKUP, that NSLOOKUP space hyphen query equals to mx test php, and it returns you the mail server. That is their mail address is hostmaster.eurodns.com. Well, now we can start playing with testphp.vulnweb.com website. That is basically our target site for our required task. So very basic scan we will perform is nmap and directly the test site address, that is testphp.vulnweb.com. As soon as I press enter, it starts scanning for open ports. This may take time ranging from 50 to 60 seconds to 120 seconds as well, depending upon your network speed. Let's wait for it to complete. Well, meanwhile, let's go at the top and explore what all details are given here. So you may be able to see when as soon as I pressed Nmap, it called that Nmap have version 7.94 SPN, and this is the official site of Nmap, that is https://nmap.org. Now, the way we use Nmap is Nmap scan type. We give it the type of scan we want, then followed by options. Options is actually optional, and then target specification. In target specification, we generally pass host name, IP address, or network, right? Like I had passed test PHP, so rather scan me.nmap, I had passed test php.vulnweb.com, or I could have passed the IP. Now, from where will I get the IP? So, as soon as I had run the NSLOOKUP, I got this IP. This is the version 6 IP, IPv6, and this is the version 4, IPv4. So either of them you can paste it after the nmap command and your scan will continue. So here our results have been out. Well, basically it's an output of the command. Like I gave some input command, and then these are the output. Now how you analyze it, I will be probably telling it to the last, or even I can uh, let you know here as well. So it says host is up, that is the services are up, and this is the report for this particular website. Any other address for this test php is this ipv6, seems to be ipv6, right? If we go up and for look at the ns lookup command, it also returned the ipv6 that was 64 ff9b ending with fn f903, and you can see it perfectly matched with it, right? Now these are the rdns records. So those who have set up ever set up their websites may know what exactly is rdns. And okay, this is hosted on amazon aws. Now here are 993 filtered TCP ports, like all of them have been filtered, and 6 TCP ports have been filtered. Like 993 were giving no response, while 6 were unreachable. The only open port is currently 80, having TCP as the protocol. State is open and service is HTTP. Now the whole, we can see the whole scan have been done in 80.85 seconds. Let's proceed with the next scan. We'll be using, actually the previously one is the very basic scan. The next is nmap space hyphen s capital V, and then test php.volmap.com. Now what exactly is sv? Sv is detailed scan that will include service detection and version information through open ports. If you want to know more, you can again scroll up and you may see it somewhere here. So it's a service version detection, and sv, it probe open ports to determine service or version information. Okay, so with this command you can know what services are running, what versions it is using, and again it may take time up to 60 seconds to 2 minutes. I had already ran it previously before starting the recording, and I would like to show you my results. Okay, I guess I closed that terminal, so I am unable to view that. No issues. We can wait for it. Though I'm using 5G speed, but I guess it will still take time. Okay, finally the results are out. So here we can again analyze the output. So it says host is up, the latency is 0.46 seconds, and okay. So along with here in the previous command we can see the port state and services. Well, in the SP for the like service version, we can see port state service and the version. So the version this particular service is using is nginx 1.19.0. Service detection performed, please report any incorrect. Okay, so this scan have been performed in 178.43 seconds. That is close to, I guess, 3 minutes. Okay, the next is nmap sv space hyphen sc space and then test php. Okay, sorry, it didn't took the complete command. I can re-perform it. Sv space hyphen sc space hyphen test php. So what exactly I'm doing is I'm performing a comprehensive search with script scanning for vulnerabilities. If you want to again know more, you can again scroll up and look for what exactly sc means here. So sc was open port data mining the service version, while sc is equivalent to script equals to default. All right. By the way, this is our nmap command followed by scan type that I wanted sv for the service version, and options. And option I gave the command of sc, that is script at default, and then our hostname, that was our target site. We can wait for the outputs. Meanwhile, I want to check my actually geo speed, because recently we had noticed geo have been dropping very frequently. Okay, so my plan is about 30 mbps and still not reaching at the maximum. By the time we checked our speed test, the results or the outputs are out. Here we can see port state service inversion. Okay, so it says that this particular port is like HTTP title is home of Acunetics art. Okay, let's actually visit this particular site on the browser. Oh, I press Control C, I guess. Copy selection is Control Shift C, and here we can browse it. You may see the title here, home of Acunetics art, as it is showing. Well, the next command you may practice is nmap and then p for ports. And but if you want to scan all the ports from 1 to 65,535, you can put one more hyphen and then test php. But if I will run this one, and you may see that all my recent commands are taking more than 1 or 2 minutes, it would take probably 5 to 10 minutes. So I would not be running it. You can run on your own system. And here I would like to summary up. So what we actually did was we analyzed the outputs for all the open ports and services, and like SV helps us to identify potential vulnerabilities, and all the open ports listed services running up. SC was for like running a set of default scripts that can detect common vulnerability. While interpreting all these details, we look for such open ports that shouldn't be exposed. We check for the versions of the services, like if they're outdated and can help us in further attacks. And we use Nmap for potential security issues. Thank you. Ouchie. To close it.